All right, if you know anything about me, you know I am a sucker for marketing. And I was in Walmart recently on a trip and I picked up this. So, love marketing. I love a package that jumps off the shelf, and this one did. I also love the Stars and Stripes. And I love limited edition anythings, right? If you want to get me to take a couple of dollars, a few dollars out of my wallet, you give me a limited edition, special edition, whatever you want to say. So this is Dollar Shave Club's limited edition shaves and stripes. 5 blade, beautiful handle here. You got the stars, you've got red, white, and blue. Let's take it out, unbox it, and I'll show you the other products I'll be using for the shave today. And we'll jump into the shower, we'll steam up, we'll clean up, you know the routine. Let's unbox. So here's the handle. This is the diamond grip, as they call it. Nice rubber handle. In red, you get the little white and blue stars up here. Really nice. Very nice, kind of hefty. The DSC 5 blade. Very slight, very thin blade. A nice pivot there with snap. You've got your lubrication strip up top, rubber guide at the bottom. Really very nicely designed piece of business here. All right, so I'll be taking this. I'm gonna be going on a road trip. I think I'm gonna take this on the road trip this week, as I will be touring America a little bit. So that's a slice of Americana right there. Nice handle, good grip, not slippy. All right. Going to be shaving with another one of my favorite products, or my favorite companies, is Elysian Soap Shop. Pull that up for our thumbnail. Let's get the Stars and Stripes. Shannon has made another spectacular artisan soap here. This is called Atlantis Deep. Citrus and marine flavors. Just amazing. What I love about these soaps is they're gentle on the skin. They're calming. They're easy to lather, and they provide plenty protection. Nice barrier between you and the blades. I'll leave a link down below to Elysian's website so you can pick them up, support the fine folks over there, and let them know the average guy sent you. I'm also going to be using their accompanying or companion aftershave, Atlantis Deep. Love it together when you have a product, a set like that. I love. And I'm going back to my favorite. You can still get this, guys. Pacific Shaving Company's natural cork handle, super premium synthetic badger hair brush. It's just awesome. Go through it one more time. I'll go through it again, as I always do. This is light, yet it has a nice spine in there, so it's not flimsy. It floats in water. The premium synthetic hair created by the FM Brush, or manufactured by the FM Brush Company, that pioneered synthetics, guys. Been doing it since the 60s. All right, this looks like badger. It performs like badger. It performs better than badger. It's easy to clean. No badger was harmed. It's better than badger. All right, and it just nice, feels good in the hand. Again, no wet soaking with synthetics, and just a great diameter here, guys. A nice thin diameter. It's great for newbies to learn how to apply your soap, and it's good for you old vets too, because it's soft on your hands and it's easy to whirl. No clanking noises when you're like by the brush. They're still available. There's a limited run as well. So maybe this is the limited run shave. All right, I'm gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna clean up, steam up. I'll come back. I'm running 3.5 days of growth, so it should be a relatively easy shave. And let's get the party started. All right, fresh out of the shower, let's get to work. Start with just an amazing scent. A little water on the brush. And I like the fact that this tin is a little oversized. 4 ounces of product, slightly oversized tin. It allows you to really get in there. A little bit more water. It allows you to use the tin as sort of your bowl. I like to do a face lather. A little bit more water. Get that agitating. So I have lots of soap now on the head of this brush. I'm gonna go with a little bit more near hot water. And we'll go right on the face. Work that lather. Ah, what a nice scent. The deep, warm, nice citrus note here after you apply it. The citrus brightens as you apply this. Nice. Maybe a tad dry. Add just a little bit of water to that brush. We'll go back in. More water, more agitation, creates more foam. Oh, nice. Smells good, feels good, soothing, relaxing. We'll come in with our stars and stripes. All right. Start right here and work our way down. Nice. Take your time with the cart. Not going for too much pressure. Gonna let the device do its job. I'm making quick, light strokes. See how slight that is? Now that comes in handy when you're attacking the nooks and crannies. I'll show you in just a second. So it's very thin. So you can get under the nose really easily. And it does have a precision trimmer, if you care or dare. To get up there to do your sideburns with that precision trimmer. Address the neck. A little bit of a rough and rugged shave. I was expecting a little bit more smooth out of this. Not the smoothest shave I've ever had, if I'm being honest. And I'm not dealing with like a tremendously long stubble, 3-4 days. Not what I remember from my last DSC shave. wondering what gives. No nicks, no real tugs, but it doesn't seem like it has the horsepower of, let's say, your Gillette Fusion or even the Exfoliating Labs. Keeping it real. A little bit more near hot water. And I'm not really gonna push it because, again, it's not the smoothest shave I've ever had. And I don't wanna get irritated. I'm gonna go with one more pass, do a cross grain pass, go back to the face with that original pull the foam. Make this a short video today. Such a nice line of soaps. Again, Elysian Soap Shop. I'll leave a link in the description box. I'll also put their website information right here. Get over there and support an artisan soap company and a fragrance company that does it for the love of it. It's like the American dream here. All right, American Dream Shaves, here we go. Cross grain, not trying to do too much. Yeah, I'm not really enjoying the shave today, if I'm gonna be honest. There's something wonky going on with this blade. I don't know if they've switched manufacturing sites. I don't know if I have just a defective blade set here. I don't know. It's just not the most enjoyable shave. I want to be honest with you. And I've never had a problem with DSC. In fact, I was one of their original subscribers when, you know, it was just a mail order service. I used to get, I don't know, 4 blades a month, something like that. Their executive handle and blade set. But today, and I've heard about some inconsistencies with DSC. I'm done. All right. But no nicks, no tugs to speak of, really. Just not the smoothest glide. And that's kind of a bummer. So I will not be taking this with me. It's nice to have in the shave den, the handle for sure. I'll test it out on some other DSC blades. Maybe it's just this blade. I don't know. Just wasn't the greatest shave today. Well, great scent here. Beautiful. Shannon, you did another awesome job. Another work of art here. Atlantis Deep Blue. And if you're watching this and you go to her site, it may not be available. This was the second to last when I ordered it the other day, so you may be out of luck, but get over there quickly. Check now. All right, now I'm gonna rinse off with cool water and we'll put the aftershave on and we'll get the hell out of here. End result looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe there was something wrong with that blade. I'll have to come back and do another DSC review. I don't want to jam a company up for a defective blade when it, you know, just hasn't been the case that I've gotten really poor shaves with DSC. All right, let's go with the Atlantis Deep aftershave. Oh, it's wonderful. All right. So Shannon amps up the aftershave scent just a little bit more, so it lingers on your skin. And beautiful. Beautiful end to a shave. But you know how it goes. You know how it goes. All right. So there you have it. I'm gonna have to say, if you see this, unless you just want the commemorative handle, like if you're me, you're getting it and you put it in your shave den. I can't give it an approved. I can't give it a thumbs up. I can't. I gotta do thumbs down today. But I'll tell you what, Atlantis Deep by Elysian Soap Shop and their aftershave splash, a warm citrus smell of the ocean. Thumbs up, approved, as well as this limited edition Pacific Shaving beautiful premium badger hair brush, natural cork handle. Go out and get it while supplies last, and I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now, Haley, roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with glory. But a couple years watered down, I'm feeling